If your crypto portfolio feels random, the answer isn't more coin picks. It's having a simple framework that tells you what belongs where, why it belongs there, and how much weight it should carry. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners in crypto cut through all the hype and learn how to build real wealth in crypto using simple macro strategies and a conviction-based portfolio. In the last few videos, we've talked about why random portfolios happen, the first step to cleaning them up, the mistakes that keep people stuck, and what changed my journey. And now I want to show you the simple framework I use to bring more structure to my crypto portfolio. And it is to build around 3 buckets: green, yellow, and red. This framework helped me to stop thinking in terms of random bags and start thinking in terms of roles, conviction, and allocation, because that is really the difference. A portfolio without structure usually becomes emotional. A portfolio with structure becomes much more easier to understand, easier to manage, and easier to build with conviction. So let's start with the green bucket. Green is your foundation bucket. These are assets that you trust the most. You understand them the best. Assets that you want forming the foundation, forming a stronger base in your portfolio. This is not where you are chasing excitement. This is where you build strength. These are the assets that help you build an anchor in your portfolio and give you more confidence in what you own. It also helps you helps your portfolio survive the deepest crashes in crypto. And then you have the yellow bucket. Yellow is your high conviction growth opportunities, high conviction altcoins. These are projects that you believe have a very strong upside with real potential, but they're not quite the same as your green bucket, as your foundation. Not quite the same. They carry more risk than your green bucket. They still need a real understanding and conviction. This should not be random hype either. It should still be very intentional. And then the red bucket. Red is high risk. Red is your speculative bucket. These are higher risk, much more uncertainty with these coins, with these plays. These are the moonshots, the potential 100x, 50x, but they also come with a great risk of downside. That's why they are high risk speculative plays. They are more aggressive opportunities. Things that may do very well have a greater side of uncertainty that come with them. And this is where a lot of people end up getting themselves into a lot of trouble if they do not have the discipline. Because when speculative positions get too much size, they start controlling your emotions and your portfolio. That's why my bucket system matters the most. And that's why allocation matters as well. Not everything deserves the same size. Not everything deserves the same confidence. And not everything deserves the same expectations. Your stronger foundation type assets should not be treated the same as your speculative, high risk assets. And your higher risk speculative and your high risk speculation should not be allowed to dominate your portfolio just because they are exciting. That is one of the biggest reasons why this framework helps. It gives each asset a role, helps you think more clearly about position size, helps reduce random decisions, and helps you build a portfolio that actually makes sense to you. Now, this framework doesn't make every decision easy, and it doesn't guarantee perfect outcomes either, but it does help you stop building randomly. It helps you ask better questions. What belongs in my foundation? What belongs in growth? What belongs in speculation? And does my allocation actually match the role? Those are much better questions than just asking what coin could pump next. And that's exactly why I actually created the free crypto checklist for beginners. It's designed to help you think through your crypto decisions more clearly and start building with more intention, structure, and conviction. I'll link it below. And if you've watched this whole playlist, I hope this gives you a much clearer picture of what a strong beginner crypto portfolio is moving forward. Not hype, not random coin collecting, but a portfolio with clear roles, better structure, and stronger conviction. Start with the checklist below and use it to start cleaning up your portfolio one step at a time.